2024 has been wild for YouTube trends. One hashtag in particular shocked everyone: #Grandma's Baking Revolution. Who knew grandmas were so tech-savvy? This heartwarming trend saw grandparents worldwide sharing their secret recipes. Viewers loved the wholesome content. It proves authenticity is key on YouTube. The trend took off thanks to a popular food blogger, Cooking with Nana. She featured her own grandmother's cookie recipe. The video went viral, inspiring others to share their family traditions. It shows the power of community on platforms like YouTube. #Grandma's Baking Revolution wasn't just about baking, it was about connection. Viewers loved the heartwarming stories and family bonds. It reminded everyone of the importance of family and tradition. This hashtag proves that sometimes, the simplest ideas resonate the most. 2024 was a big year for global events. YouTube became the go-to place for news and reactions. #Election 2024 dominated the platform during the US elections. Viewers turned to creators for insights and analysis. It showed the growing influence of YouTube personalities in news consumption. Another trending hashtag was #ClimateActionNow. This followed a series of extreme weather events. Creators used their platforms to raise awareness about climate change. They encouraged viewers to take action. It highlights the power of YouTube for social activism. These hashtags demonstrate YouTube's role in reflecting global events. They provide a platform for diverse voices and perspectives. As global events continue to unfold, YouTube will likely play an even larger role in shaping public discourse. Space exploration is huge in 2024. #Space Talk reflects this fascination. Short-form videos on TikTok are migrating to YouTube. Creators are posting longer, more in-depth content. It's a new era of space education and entertainment. Astronauts like Mark Vande Hey are using the hashtag. They're sharing their experiences from space. It's inspiring a new generation of scientists and explorers. The hashtag also features stunning visuals of the cosmos. #Space Talk is making space accessible to everyone. It's sparking curiosity and wonder about the universe. Expect to see even more space-themed content in the future. The final frontier is trending. Section 4. Gaming's domination. Gaming continues to dominate YouTube. #Livestream fail provided endless entertainment. Viewers tuned in to watch hilarious gaming mishaps. It shows the popularity of live streaming and esports. Popular streamers like Ninja and Pokimane are driving this trend. Their reactions to these fails are priceless. It's a reminder that everyone makes mistakes, even pros. It makes the gaming community more relatable. #livestream fail also spawned countless memes and reactions. It's a testament to the creativity of the gaming community. As gaming continues to grow, expect more hilarious fails and epic wins. Section 5. Foodie Frenzy. Food content is always a hit on YouTube. #food challenges took it to another level. Creators attempted outrageous eating challenges. Viewers were both amazed and disgusted. It's a guilty pleasure that never gets old. Competitive eaters like Matt Stonie gained even more popularity. They pushed the limits of what's humanly possible to eat. But #food challenges also highlighted creative recipes and cooking techniques. This hashtag proves that food is more than just sustenance. It's entertainment. It's a way to connect with others. Expect to see even more bizarre and delicious food trends in the future. Section 6. The future of viral. 2024's top YouTube hashtags reveal important trends. Authenticity is key. Viewers crave genuine connections. Global events are shaping online conversations. And niche communities like gamers and space enthusiasts are finding their voice. What does this mean for the future of YouTube? Expect more diverse content. Creators will need to be more creative to stand out. Collaborations will be essential for growth. And social impact will continue to be a driving force. One thing is certain, YouTube will continue to be the platform where trends are born. So, stay tuned. The next viral sensation might be just around the corner.